Looking for a natural powerhouse that supports energy, heart health, and skin glow? Say hello to beetroot. Discover why beetroot should be your next health booster, packed with benefits that you won't want to miss. Beetroot is more than just a colorful veggie. It's packed with nutrients like folate, manganese, potassium, and vitamin C, all essential for a healthy lifestyle. The unique red color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Top health benefits of beetroot. 1. Boosts energy and stamina. If you're looking to boost your stamina and energy, beetroot is the secret. Its natural nitrates improve blood flow and oxygen use, making it a favorite of athletes worldwide. Just a glass of beetroot juice can supercharge your workout. 2. Supports heart health. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Studies show that beetroot juice can help reduce blood pressure, giving your heart the care it needs. 3. Improves skin glow and radiance. Want glowing skin naturally? Beetroot's antioxidants help protect against free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. No wonder it's a beauty secret for natural radiance. 4. Aids in detoxification. Beetroot contains betaine, which supports liver function and aids detoxification. Adding beetroot to your diet can help cleanse the body and promote a natural detox, keeping you refreshed from within. 5. Supports brain health. With age, brain health becomes crucial, and beetroot has been found to improve blood flow to the brain, potentially reducing the risk of dementia. It's a brain booster you'll love. How to incorporate beetroot into your diet. Beetroot is super versatile and can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. Here are some simple, delicious ways to make it part of your daily routine. 1. Beetroot juice. Combine beetroot with carrots, ginger, and a splash of lemon for a refreshing immunity booster. Dosage: 1 cup a day is enough to reap its benefits. 2. Beet salad. Roast beets and toss them with arugula, feta cheese, walnuts, and a drizzle of olive oil. 3. Smoothies. Blend raw beetroot with bananas, strawberries, and yogurt for a vibrant pink smoothie. 4. Soups. Classic borscht, beet soup, is not just comforting but also nutrient-rich. 5. Beet chips. Thinly slice beets, season with salt and olive oil, and bake for a healthy snack. 6. Beetroot paratha, Indian style. Grate beetroot, mix with wheat flour, spices, and make a nutritious flatbread. Beetroot combos, for maximum health benefits. Beetroot pairs beautifully with other vegetables and fruits to amplify its benefits. 1. Beet plus carrot plus orange. This juice is an immunity booster packed with vitamin C and beta-carotene. 2. Beet plus apple plus ginger. A detoxifying and refreshing combo for gut health. 3. Beet plus spinach. A powerful iron-rich duo for better blood health. Myths and misconceptions about beetroot. Myth: beetroot raises blood sugar levels dangerously. Fact: while beetroot contains natural sugars, its fiber content helps regulate blood sugar, making it safe for most people, even diabetics. Myth: eating beetroot will turn your skin red. Fact: nope. However, its pigments may temporarily color your urine or stool, which is completely harmless. Here's a fun fact: in ancient times, beetroot was used as an aphrodisiac. Its natural nitrates and boron content may enhance blood flow and impact hormones. Fascinating, right? If you're excited to try beetroot and want more health secrets, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more natural wellness tips.